Hi family, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. How are we all doing? You're welcome back to my channel, God is Able 2021. For those of us coming back to check on us, you're highly welcome. Thank you for what you're doing for us. God continue to bless you. Yeah, I ordered for some stuff via Amazon, and equally one of my cousins sent me some packages from Atlanta that they received from Nigeria. So I've been expecting the package for the past 2 weeks. I just want to go check outside. I have it now because she called me that they assured her they're gonna deliver it today. So let's go. Hello family, good day. As you all can see, as I opened my door, I confirmed that the products have arrived. So I'm gonna take them inside and unbox it with us so that we see what they sent to me. Thank you so much and keep watching. Okay family, let's unbox the package and know what is inside. Well, actually, what I asked my people to, get for me from Nigeria was some food stuff, especially the ingredients for cooking pepper soup. Yeah, the native ingredients we use in cooking our pepper soup. So let me see. I don't think this is all the package, because my cousin told me that some of it are still on their way. Actually, she made mistake in our address, so they had to return it. So she had to repost it back. So when it came back, not the whole package came back to them. So just few of it. So this is the first one that they returned. Let me see what I got inside here. Wow, this one is smelling order. Yes, so the main ingredients for pepper soup. Did anybody ask them for they put thread for me? White thread and needle. She thought I asked her to buy thread. Razor. Okay, my husband said he asked them to buy razor blade for. Oh, we still have razor blade now. I saw some razor blade. Okay. This my husband ordered this. He usually use. He has some sort of buns or what I would call it on his neck towards his head. So he uses this to treat it. So, this is pepper soup spices. Pepper soup spices. This is a mixture of all the garlic, ginger, ozeza, Ahuru, and ohio. There's some of these ingredients, I don't know their name in English. So let's see, this is Ahuru, a separate one. We use it to do our oba. Yeah, I think you've seen my oba I prepared. Okay, this is all the separate. They grinded this one separate. I think this is spicy pepper, Ghana pepper. And this one is okay. This should be my ogo. Oh, it seems they are still good for planting. Right away, I'm gonna go plant them. My ogo seeds, our own African ogo. God, I pray to it will germinate too. It will germinate, and they bought a lot of it. Oh my God, this is something that I would have planted since last week. That's, I think they're still okay. So that's number 1 package already uploaded. Keep that razor. Okay, this is our second package. Here, these are the things I ordered at Amazon. Firstly, I ordered I ordered for calculator. So my husband he needed calculator, the one they use for GED program, scientific calculator. This is it, and I saw a case for it, so I had to order for it so that when it falls, it won't break. So let me see if I can enter it. So that's very good. Wow. So you have to buy one for me for making this special order for you. Yes. What?
The things I ordered for you for Mother's Day.
What did you order? Things I have not seen.
It is coming now.
Coming. See how beautiful it is. Okay. The last thing I ordered from Amazon. This is a lunchbox. I want to use it and do Mother's gift for Mother's Day gift for one of my neighbor. The woman, I don't know, since the first day I set my eyes on her, I just like her personality. And so, you know, before the Mother's Day, I just thought, what can I do for this woman? And just yeah. And when I saw this gift on Amazon, I so much like it. I said, okay, let me buy it and present it to her on the Mother's Day. Yeah. I think that's all for now. Until we receive the remaining package, then we're gonna also unbox it with you guys. Thank you for being there for us. God bless you all. See you later. Okay, family, I want to show us how I preserve my African ingredients. Okay, here I have my container for my spicy pepper. This is what I have that I usually store it in the freezer because I don't want to hear stories. I swear, whenever I use it, it's always hot. Yes. So this is the pepper. I have to pour it inside the old container. This one will last me almost 1 year. This container, it was a coconut oil that I used. I didn't want to throw the container away. I had to use it to store something. Okay, this is my other container. The little one that was left in there, I poured it into a smaller container. So, open it. I pour it in. Oh, I'm working tonight. This is after 5. Okay, this I have enough. enough of pepper soup ingredients. So that is not too much. Okay, wash it. This one, I don't usually store it in the fridge or freezer. I'll keep it on my cabinet, spice cabinet. So this one, I will have to store it like this. And see, I exhaust this one and then I'll bring this one out. Let me get my Ahuru container for Oba. You don't even see that.
Check your cannoli, baby.
Okay, this is it. I'm sure it's good, I think. So this is our Ahuru. Put it in the freezer. So I'm gonna pour this new one inside it. Okay, before I use it, I'll fry it a little or burn it, because if you don't burn it or fry it, you can't get that spicy, the spice of Ahuru.
The real taste.
The real taste of Ahuru is in the burning of it. As per the taste of pudding is in the making. Yes, it's the same thing with this spice. You can only get the real taste when you burn it or fry it a little. Fry it a little. Okay, so these two, I will have to tie it, put it in Ziploc bag and store in my freezer. Whenever I exhaust the other ones, I will bring it out. So this one is going back to the freezer. These two are going into my spice cabinet. Okay, finally. Thank you for watching. So much appreciate your patience. So, see you some other time. Okay? Bye.